My name is Sahil Sharma and I am the student of BSc Maths in batch M3 and my roll number is 221001402 and my topic is filter circuits and its types and application. So let's start the video. Let us know about what is filter circuit. Filter circuit is a device which removes the AC component of the rectifier output but allows the DC component to reach the load. The rectifier output contains both AC and DC component. If such a pulsating DC is applied to electronic circuit, it will produce a hum. So the AC component in the pulsating rectifier output is undesirable and must be kept away from the rectifier load. To so, a filter circuit is used to remove the AC component but only allows the DC component. A filter circuit is installed between the rectifier and the load. Now we are going to discuss about the types of filter circuits. There are three types of filter circuits which are commonly used. First is capacitor filter circuit, second is choke input filter, and third one is capacitor input filter, or you can say pi filter circuit. So we are going to discuss about first one, which is capacitor filter circuit. The topic is capacitor filter. As a capacitor allows AC through it and blocks DC, a filter called shunt capacitor filter can be constructed using a capacitor connected in shunt as shown in the following figure. The rectified output when passed through this filter, the AC component present in the signal are grounded through the capacitor which allows AC component. The remaining DC component present in the signal are collected at the output. The above filter types discussed are constructed using an inductor or a capacitor. Now let's try to use both of them to make a better filter. These are combinational filter. Now applications or advantages of capacitor filter. Capacitor filter circuits are extremely popular due to low cost. These filters are of very small size. It has a little weight. It has good characteristics. For small load currents up to 50 microampere, this type of filter is preferred. It is commonly used in transistor, radio, battery eliminators. Now we are talking about LC filter or choke input filter. A filter circuit can be constructed using both inductor and capacitor in order to obtain a better output where the efficiencies of both inductor and capacitor can be used. The figure below shows the circuit diagram of a LC filter. Rectified output when given to this circuit, the inductor allows DC components to pass through it, blocking the AC components in the signal. Now from that signal, few more AC components, if any present, are grounded so that we get a pure DC output. This filter is also called as choke input filter as the input signal first enters the inductor. The output of this filter is a better one than the previous one. Now we are talking about advantages of choke input filter. The choke input filter has a high output DC voltage. It has no loading effect on the rectifier and power transformer. The diode does not have to carry surge currents. It has very good load regulation. It has no loading effect on the rectifier and power transformer. It has better voltage regulation than that of pi filter. It has a very low ripple factor as compared to series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter. This is another type of filter circuit which is very commonly used. It has capacitor at its input and hence it is also called as capacitor input filter. Here two capacitors and one inductor are connected in the form of pi-shaped network. A capacitor in parallel and then an inductor in series followed by another capacitor in parallel makes this circuit. If needed, several identical sections can also be added to this according to the requirement. The figure below shows a circuit for pi filter circuit. Now again, advantages of capacitor input filter or pi filter. The quality of output DC voltage is very good. It has higher DC output voltage at heavy loads. It is easy to design. It has very low and smallest amount of ripple factor. It is useful for low load current, that is light loads. Now we are on the conclusion of this presentation. The filter circuit provides essential tools for manipulating signals in electronic system through the analysis of the different filter types. Understanding the filter circuit principles is crucial for optimizing signal quality in various technological applications from audio system to telecommunication. Overall, filter circuit plays a vital role in shaping signals and advancing modern technology. Thank you ma'am, have a good day, and Sahil Sharma signing off.